What is good mga ka-champion, and welcome back to another video. For today's video guys, sasagutin ko lang yung isa sa common question na na-receive ko lagi is bakit ba mas pinili kong mag-trade or mag-focus sa forex trading over stocks or crypto. Okay, so again, I will give you the major reasons and what made me decide ano yung mga nakita kong advantages over these two. Okay, so again, thank you so much to all my TFP VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. Okay, so unang-una, ano ba yung nakita kong major advantage or ano ba yung rason bakit mas nag-focus ako sa forex trading over stocks? So syempre, alam naman natin, don't get me wrong, I have traded stocks before, I have traded the local market, but one advantage is 24 hours ang forex market. Okay, so ibig sabihin, I do have a lot of opportunities din 24 hours. Unlike stocks na meron lang specific timing ina-allocate for trading. Okay, so syempre, alam din natin that 24 hours, 5 days a week is enough para makakita tayo at magkaroon tayo ng opportunity makapitalize, kumita sa market. Okay, so that is enough time, no? 24 hours, ibig sabihin, whether you are working, whether you are a businessman, whether you are doing something else na gusto mo, yun isa major reason bakit mas pinili ko mag-focus sa forex trading over stocks. Okay, so ano pa? Okay, between naman forex and crypto. Okay, so isa sa mas nakita kong advantage or for me, no, is on the safe side kasi regulation wise and policies, di ba? So, for me, crypto is still a speculative market. Okay? Unlike forex market, okay? Para dun sa nagde-decide whether crypto ba ang gagawin ko or forex. Tandaan nyo, forex trading or forex market in general is already a well-regulated in most countries. Okay? So, established na siya in terms of regulatory bodies. Okay? It's like, nandiyan na yung mga accredited nating mga brokers, okay? So, nag-i-ensure siya ng compliance at dun sa mga regulations na pinapataw sa kanila, okay? So, this provides for me as a trader or investor ng confidence, okay? Dahil meron tayong protection or like some kind of like safety when it comes to fraud, manipulation, and some other unjust na practices, okay? So, tandaan natin, nag-e-evolve, okay, yung mga regulations or may nag-update ng mga regulations over this. But for me, forex market is well established in most or major countries out there. Okay, so yun yung nakita ko over naman dun sa crypto. At the same time, third advantage and third reason bakit mas nag-focus ako sa forex is simply yung accessibility. Okay? Nung nag-stock trading ako, syempre, simula ka pa lang noon, okay? 10 years ago, di ba? So, syempre, brokers in general, when it comes to stock trading, medyo mahigpit sila kasi kailangan you have a specific this amount para makapag-trade ka ng stocks. Okay? So, unlike sa forex, even you are zero knowledge or beginner man or aspiring pa lang, there's always, you don't have to put up a lot of money to start, okay? As little as $100, pwede ka na magsimula and practice and ma-experience mo na yung real actual trading of the forex market. So, accessibility wise, mas madaling makapasok sa market ng forex, okay, as compared to stocks, okay? Fourth reason, of course, leverage. Okay, ibig sabihin yan, kahit maliit yung capital mo, okay, to start, the brokers may allow you na magkaroon ka ng high leverage. Ibig sabihin yan, pwede kang mag-control or mag-manage ng mas malalaking position in terms of value kahit maliit yung kahit maliit yung account mo. So, yun yung advantage na ni-allow tayo ng brokers na magkaroon tayo ng mas mataas na leverage. For example, 1:500, 1:1,000. So, meaning, magkakaroon pa tayo ng mas malaking opportunity na magkaroon ng mas malaki ring gains. Tandaan natin, although nagpo-provide sila ng high leverage options, okay, tandaan nyo, there's always risk in that. So that's why you have to practice, you have to know your risks, okay, prior execution or prior executing any trade. Okay? That is why helps you also na maintindihan that trading, okay, there's always risk. Okay? So, next, syempre, Forex. Tandaan natin, Forex one of the largest, most liquid, okay, financial market. Average trading volume around 5 trillion. So, ibig sabihin yan, you can easily, exit, enter positions with ease. Okay? Walang kahirap-hirap. Pasok ka, labas ka, enter, exit, execute, close your trade, madali lang. Okay? In a matter of like a real-time situations. Unlike for some situation, for stocks, di ba? Pasok ka, may setup, you have buy some shares or stocks. Unfortunately, walang volume, less ang volatility. Ibig sabihin yan, gusto mo na umexit sa position, no one buys your positions. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, less volatile in some cases. Okay? So, unlike Forex market, napaka-volatile nito. One of the largest financial market, diba, sa mundo. So, again, high liquidity, volatility is there. So, you can easily go in, go out, exit positions, execute with ease. Alright? So, again, we can talk a lot regarding major reasons, advantages, disadvantages, or you can talk a lot about bakit mas pinili ko yung Forex trading over this crypto or stock trading. These are the major reasons bakit mas nag-focus ako sa Forex. Okay? This, I think, can help you guys decide ano yung pipili nyo. Kasi, ngayon, marami ng aspiring traders na nagiging curious. Ano nga ba itong mga trading? Kasi tandaan nyo, we are like, typically Filipinos are drawn into traditional businesses. Okay? So, ngayon, medyo nagkakaroon ng curiosity yung mga ibang tao na there are some ways para kumita ng pera, but nevertheless, yung risk is always there. Okay? You have to understand. So, if ever you're choosing between Forex and stocks or crypto, you have to understand yung advantages at disadvantages din. So, for me, these are the major reasons bakit mas pinili ko yung Forex. Okay? So, this is just a short video para sagutin lang yung mga tanong na yun. And I hope nakatulong to para mag-decide kayo kung wala pa talaga kayong alam. Alright? So, again, thank you so much to all my TFE VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and I hope this video helps para mag-decide kayo. Right? So, again, thank you so much. God bless to you all and see you all on the next tutorial videos. Bye-bye.
So, I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs. And some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Alright, bye-bye.